This message is for all the young men and women who are in the most energetic phase of their lives. If your hair is black, your eyes shine with ambition, and there are no wrinkles on your face, it means you're in the golden period of your life. This phase of youth, where your vision is sharp and your energy boundless, is a gift. It's a time when you can dream big and work hard to make those dreams a reality. However, this phase won't last forever, and it's up to you to make the most of it while it's still here. Soon your hair will start to gray, your energy might fade, and life's responsibilities will grow heavier. Friends who are close to you now will become busy with their own lives, and your circle may shrink. This is the natural course of life. But today, you still have the strength, the drive, and the fire within you to create the life you desire. If you have dreams of owning a house, achieving fame, driving a fancy car, or making money, this is the time to pursue those goals with determination and focus. There is no better time in your life to take bold steps toward your ambitions. Youth is a rare gift, and wasting it on distractions or meaningless activities is like throwing away the most precious resource you'll ever have. History shows that many revolutionary achievements were made, or at least initiated, by young people with a vision. If you don't have a clear target or ambition, then take a moment to reflect and find one, because aimlessness in youth is a tragic waste. As Swami Vivekananda said, youth is the best time of life. The work you do in this phase will determine the kind of future you will have. Your ability to take risks, make decisions, and learn from mistakes is at its peak now. Later in life, responsibilities like marriage, children, and work will demand much of your time and focus, leaving you less space for your dreams. That's why it's essential to act now. Concentration and focus are the keys to success, and this is the time when your mind is best equipped to harness these abilities. If you feel lost and unsure about what to do, don't let that stop you. Take small steps, experiment, and let life guide you. The answers will come as you move forward, but remember, wasting time now is wasting the most valuable resource you'll ever have. Work toward the goals that excite you. Whether you dream of becoming a writer, a scientist, an entrepreneur, or an artist, this is the time to build the foundation for your future. Choose a field or passion that you truly love, something you can dedicate your life to, and give it your all. Greatness exists in every field. No matter what you choose, with hard work and dedication, you can achieve success, recognition, and satisfaction. Believe in yourself and your ability to shape your destiny. Don't wait for someone else to give you the push you need. Take charge of your life. The challenges you face will only make you stronger, and the risks you take will teach you lessons that last a lifetime. Focus on building your mental strength as much as your physical fitness. Just like you work out to stay fit and healthy, you need to nurture your thoughts and keep your mind strong. Positive thinking and a clear focus on your goals will help you overcome any obstacle. Never consider yourself weak or incapable, because that's the biggest injustice you can do to yourself. Thinking of yourself as small or unworthy is as harmful as giving up on life itself. Difficulties and problems are a part of life, but they should never stop you. Instead, use them as stepping stones to grow and improve. The pain of regret is far greater than the pain of hard work. If you waste this golden period of your life, you may look back years later and wish you had done things differently. That's why it's crucial to act now and create a life you can be proud of. This is your time to dream big and work harder than ever before. Push yourself beyond your limits. Take risks, even if they seem scary, because every risk teaches you something valuable. Whether you succeed or fail, the experience will be worth it. Don't let distractions hold you back. Whether it's excessive screen time, mindless partying, or bad habits, these will only derail you from your path. Every minute wasted on meaningless activities is a minute stolen from your dreams. Your parents, your future family, and your own heart deserve better. Think of your youth as an emergency situation that demands your full focus and effort. Just as a doctor acts quickly during an emergency to save a life, you must act now to save and build your future. Time waits for no one, and every moment you let slip by is gone forever. The greatest gift of youth is the ability to dream and work relentlessly toward those dreams. Use this time to lay the foundation for a life that inspires not only you, but everyone around you. The world remembers people who dare to dream big and work tirelessly to make those dreams come true. So don't waste your youth. Believe in yourself, set big goals, and work with unwavering determination. The choices you make today will shape the rest of your life, so choose wisely. If you feel motivated, like the video and subscribe to our channel, Driven by Motivation. See you in the next one. Thank you.